Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of fasting, specifically focusing on the effects of a 72-hour fast on the body. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body during this extended fasting period, shedding light on both the physical and mental transformations that occur. Whether you're a seasoned faster or just curious about the concept, we aim to provide you with valuable insights that can enhance your understanding of this practice. Fasting has gained popularity in recent years, not just as a weight loss strategy, but also for its potential health benefits. We'll discuss how your body shifts from using glucose for energy to tapping into fat stores, a process known as ketosis. You'll learn about the hormonal changes that take place, including increases in growth hormone and improvements in insulin sensitivity. But it's not all about the science. We'll also tackle some common myths surrounding fasting. Is it really safe to go without food for 72 hours? What about muscle loss or nutrient deficiencies? We'll address these concerns and provide evidence-based answers to help you make informed decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of benefits and challenges of a 72-hour fast, empowering you to consider whether this practice might be right for you. So stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of fasting and its profound effects on our bodies. Fasting is the voluntary abstention from food and, in some cases, drink for a specific period. Historically, fasting has held significant cultural and spiritual importance across various societies. From ancient religious practices to modern health trends, fasting has been used for purification, self-discipline, and even as a means of connecting with the divine. Many cultures have rituals that incorporate fasting, showcasing its deep-rooted significance in human history. There are several types of fasting methods, each with its unique approach and benefits. One of the most popular is intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Common variations include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 diet, which allows normal eating for 5 days and restricts calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. On the other hand, prolonged fasting refers to abstaining from food for an extended period, typically 24 hours or more. This method can lead to more profound physiological changes, such as enhanced autophagy, where the body cleans out damaged cells, and a significant shift in metabolism as the body transitions to burning fat for fuel. During fasting, several physiological changes occur. Insulin levels drop, promoting fat breakdown, while growth hormone levels increase, aiding in muscle preservation. Additionally, fasting can trigger the release of ketones, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. Understanding these methods and their effects can empower you to make informed choices about your health and wellness journey. The science behind 72 hours of fasting. When you embark on a 72-hour fast, your body undergoes remarkable biological processes that significantly alter its energy utilization and cellular health. Initially, your body relies on glucose stored in the liver and muscles for energy. However, as the fast progresses, typically within the first 24 hours, your glycogen stores become depleted. This prompts a metabolic shift where the body begins to burn fat for fuel, entering a state known as ketosis. In this state, fatty acids are converted into ketones, which serve as an efficient energy source, particularly for the brain. One of the most fascinating processes that occurs during a 72-hour fast is autophagy. This is the body's natural way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. Autophagy plays a crucial role in cellular health, helping to remove dysfunctional proteins and organelles, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. By promoting autophagy, fasting can enhance cellular repair mechanisms and improve overall health. Additionally, hormonal changes are significant during this fasting period. Insulin levels drop dramatically, which not only facilitates fat burning but also improves insulin sensitivity. This can have long-term benefits for metabolic health. Simultaneously, levels of growth hormone surge, which aids in muscle preservation and fat loss. This hormonal balance is essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting overall well-being during the fasting period. Understanding these biological processes can help you appreciate the profound effects of a 72-hour fast on your body, paving the way for informed decisions about your health and wellness journey. Health benefits of fasting. 72-hour fast can offer a range of impressive health benefits that extend beyond mere weight loss. One of the most notable advantages is its impact on weight management and metabolic health. During this fasting period, the body shifts from burning glucose to utilizing fat for energy, which can lead to significant fat loss. Additionally, fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity. reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and promoting better blood sugar control. This metabolic reset can be a powerful tool for those looking to achieve or maintain a healthy weight. Beyond physical changes, many individuals report enhanced mental clarity and focus during a 72-hour fast. As the body transitions into ketosis, ketones become the primary energy source for the brain, often resulting in improved cognitive function. Many people experience heightened alertness, better concentration, and even a sense of mental clarity that can be hard to achieve during regular eating patterns. This cognitive boost can be particularly beneficial for those facing demanding tasks or creative challenges. Moreover, fasting has been linked to potential longevity benefits and disease prevention. Research suggests that periods of fasting can activate cellular repair processes, including autophagy, which helps eliminate damaged cells and may reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Additionally, fasting has been associated with lower inflammation levels and improved heart health, further contributing to overall longevity. In summary, a 72-hour fast can provide a multitude of health benefits, from weight loss and metabolic improvements to enhanced mental clarity and potential longevity, making it a compelling option for those seeking to optimize their health. Debunking fasting myths. Fasting is often surrounded by misconceptions that can deter individuals from exploring its potential benefits. One common myth is that fasting inevitably leads to muscle loss. While it's true that prolonged fasting can result in muscle breakdown, a 72-hour fast typically does not cause significant muscle loss, especially when combined with adequate hydration and a balanced diet before and after the fasting period. In fact, during fasting, the body increases levels of growth hormone, which helps preserve muscle mass and promotes fat utilization for energy. Another concern many people have is about nutrient deficiencies during fasting. It's important to note that a short-term fast, such as a 72-hour period, does not typically lead to nutrient deficiencies for most healthy individuals. The body is remarkably resilient and can adapt to short-term fasting by utilizing stored nutrients. However, it's crucial to ensure that you're well-nourished before starting a fast and to reintroduce nutrient-dense foods afterward to replenish any lost vitamins and minerals. Additionally, there is a prevalent belief that fasting is harmful to health. On the contrary, numerous studies have shown that fasting can have protective effects on health, including improved metabolic markers, reduced inflammation, and enhanced cellular repair processes. For many individuals, fasting can be a safe and effective way to promote overall health and well-being when done correctly. By debunking these myths, we can better understand the true nature of fasting and its potential benefits, empowering individuals to make informed choices about their health journeys. Practical tips for fasting. If you're considering a 72-hour fast, preparation is key to ensuring a successful and comfortable experience. Start by gradually reducing your food intake a few days before the fast. This can help your body adjust to the upcoming changes and make the transition smoother. Focus on consuming whole nutrient-dense foods and avoid processed items, which can lead to cravings and discomfort during the fast. Hydration is crucial during a fast. Make sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, as this can help curb hunger and support overall bodily functions. Additionally, consider incorporating electrolytes into your routine, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals help maintain electrolyte balance and can prevent symptoms like headaches or fatigue, which some people experience during fasting. You can find electrolyte supplements or simply add a pinch of salt to your water for an easy solution. Listening to your body is essential throughout the fasting process. While many people can comfortably complete a 72-hour fast, individual experiences may vary. Pay attention to how you feel, and don't hesitate to adjust your fasting plan if necessary. If you experience severe discomfort, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, it's important to break your fast and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Remember, fasting is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. By preparing effectively, staying hydrated, and tuning into your body's signals, you can navigate your 72-hour fast with confidence and ease. As you consider the insights shared, we encourage you to think about trying fasting for yourself. Whether you're looking to reset your metabolism, improve your focus, or simply explore a new health practice, a 72-hour fast could be a valuable experience. Remember to prepare adequately, stay hydrated, and listen to your body throughout the process. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe for more health insights Like this video to show your support, and share it with friends or family who might be interested in learning about fasting. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you on your health journey. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you feel inspired to explore the benefits of fasting. Stay tuned for more informative videos that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals.